Welcome back to the channel. Hi, this is Murli Tulam. Microsoft Azure introduced new feature called Azure Skills Plugin. So let us discuss about what is Azure Skills Plugin. But before discussing Azure Skills Plugin, let us recap previous use cases as well. If you observe this SDLC stages, client requirements to end user. So here we are going to gather the requirements from the client. After the planning team, they're going to assign work with different team persons like developers, testers, and operation team. And through all these STS stages, we are going to develop as well as release the applications. So here first we identified one other term called agentic DevOps. Microsoft, they introduced one other term called agentic DevOps. So here they're going to simplify planning to production. So with the GitHub Copilot and Microsoft Azure, these are all things we observed in the initial videos. And after that, Microsoft, they focused ops section. So if you observe here, they released SRE agent, Azure SRE agent. So here you can see Azure SRE agent, how to simplify your operations, how to proactively find out the issues and minimize these issues. And even troubleshooting your app services, Kubernetes clusters, right? All these services they introduced. Now that service is available in the generally available state now. Here we focus two areas. One is development and other one is operational, like feedback mechanism. These two things are focusing. And one more important thing is example, if developers are developing code, once it is done here, they are going to create package and they need to deploy this application. So we need compute services, Azure compute services. If you ask any questions in the your AI tools, it may give you some instructions. If you observe here this VS Code and your Copilot, right? If you use this Copilot, it may give you some instructions how to implement your hosting solutions, but entire solutions. So here they're addressing this issue. They're addressing this pain point. They announced Azure Skills Plugin. Before discussing Skills Plugin, what is skill? Let us see. Agent is skill. Example, just see. Example, we need to process some PDFs. Skill, processing PDF. And also we need to create some Terraform script. We need a skill to create Terraform script. Or we need to create Kubernetes cluster manifesto file. Here also we need some skills. At the same time, if you observe general operation like image processing or image editing, for all these things we need skills. Okay. So here you can see there is an open standard agentskills.io for teams and enterprises. Just see a simple and open format for giving agents new capabilities and expertise. Right? So why agent skills? For skill others and compatible agents and team and enterprise. Right? So what can agent skills enable? So here you can see domain experts, package specialized knowledge into reusable instructions, and also new capabilities, and also repeatable workflows. These are all things you can see that. Okay? So agent skills are supported by leading AI development tools. These are all things you can see that. Now, so let us come back to our Azure Skill Plugin. So here, if you observe here, agent skills, these are all Azure agent skills catalog. Azure supported Azure skills. Just see, these are all things they added. Okay? You can observe each and every section. These are all skills, you can see that. So let us see these services as well. So our services like Azure SRE agent. So here you can see that SRE agent, Azure SRE agent. So within the portal, you can see this service. Right? Similar way, just go to your Visual Studio Code. Here you can see your services like AI Toolkit. So here you can simplify your process like your models. You can onboard your models as well as agents, right? And also model catalog. So whatever models are there, here you can see model catalog, right? And also you can start managing your agent builder also. You can start creating your agents as well. So here, these are all things you can see that. Now let us come Azure Skill Plugin. So here let us see first challenges. Okay. So here AI agents, they are going to code, but there is a problem with our cloud deployment. Suppose if you are trying to set up your deployment, just see this picture. So here our developers already developed the code, and now we need to deploy the application. Here so many things are there, like based on the user count, how much configuration you need. And one more thing is which service you need to select, whether it is app service or function app, Kubernetes cluster, virtual machine, which one we need to select. Right? These are all challenges are there, as well as authentication and security. So these are all things we need to address that. For all these things, as of now, we are getting instructions. Based on that, we should follow the steps as well. And now, so here, if you observe Agent Skill Plugin documentation, announcing Azure Skills Plugin documentation, 9th they released. So here they included few important points. Let us see this documentation also. So the problem, advice without action, right? So just now we discussed agent written documentation links and sample commands, and also situational cloud gaps, right? So just now we selected observe like how much configuration you need, virtual machine size, how much capacity you need, and also do we have any constraint related to quotas as well as permissions. These are all things are there. Okay, and also no execution bridge. No direct link between decision logic and actual Azure API call. This is also a big gap. So while onboarding your cloud services or cloud solutions, you can see now. And here, so skills plugin. So let us observe the steps also. 3 layers are there. So one is the decision layer, other one is execution layer, and so third one is AI layer, right? So decision layer, it includes skills, 19 plus curated Azure skills. Just now we discussed this documentation, skills documentation. Here we mentioned, right? Skills. These are all different skills you can see. And after that, to connect different tools as well as services. So we are going to use Azure MCP Server. Azure MCP Server, 200 tools across and 40 plus Azure services, right? So here you can see list resources, check prices, query logs. These are all things you can see. Provision infrastructure as well as CI/CD. And the other one is your model deployment and management. Just see Foundry MCP Server. This is the AI layer. You can see that it integrates Microsoft Foundry for model deployment, right? And as well as agent management and model catalog workflows. These are all things will be simplified here. So these 3 layers we observed in the Azure Skills plugin. Now, so actual steps, let us try to observe. Here, just see key Azure skills in action. So these are all steps you can see. So while using this plugin, Azure Skills plugin, build and deploy, optimize and design, troubleshoot and operate, data and AI platforms. Suppose if you are trying to create first your environment, just go back to this documentation again. This is the official documentation. Okay. Azure Prepare. Azure Prepare. Analyze your project and generate infrastructure code, whether it is infrastructure code like Terraform, Docker files, or YAML file, Azure YAML script, pipeline script. And other step is Azure Validate, right? These are all things while onboarding your infra, right? So while hosting your cloud's infra, right? And also Azure Deploy, orchestrate the actual deployment pipeline via agent D. And also other one is important thing is cost optimization as well, right? Find waste and produces concrete savings recommendations, right? So this is also important thing. Cost optimization also important thing. And other one is troubleshooting as well. Azure Diagnostics, troubleshoot real failures with logs and metrics and KQPL. So the important stages you can see in this Azure skills. So now just see, and other important points, like here we observed 2 important, Azure MCP Server as well as our Foundry MCP Server. Just go back to this file, you see. So here we downloaded our file, and here you can see our skills, mcp.json, just see here. Right? So here we added MCP Server as well as Foundry MCP Server. So while using this agent plugin, agent skill plugin, so it is trying to coordinate like a Foundry MCP as well as MCP servers. These two things it is trying to coordinate. So Azure MCP Server, the actual operation agent that can perform listing resources, checking prices, these are all things will be performed our Azure MCP Server. So it provides over 200 structured tools across 40 plus Azure services. Just now we discussed. And also just now we discussed model management and deployment. You can see Foundry MCP Server. So these are documentation. You can simple layer, you can see that. So till now, whenever you are trying to deploy your application, suppose if you ask your AI to deploy some application, so it will give you some instructions only. But now it will deploy the application as well, your infra as well. So through MCP as well as our Foundry MCP server, Azure MCP server as well as Foundry MCP server. So with the help of these two and also decision layer, and it is with the help of our Azure Skills, it is trying to deploy your infra as well. Now, and before, after also you can see that, just see, without plugin, without our Azure Skill plugin. So if you ask deploy my Python Flask API to Azure, right? So here it is giving you the like a example Copilot behavior. It will give you the general tutorial and some agent commands and other things. But if you observe with plugin, Azure Skill plugin, it activates Azure Prepare, Validate, and Deploy. Just see the steps. Somewhere we mentioned, right? Validate, deploy, and these steps. Okay. And also who makes decision. So if you're without plugin, so we need to take decision. But with plugin, so Copilot follows Azure Workflow and encoded by the skills. Right? So what gets produced? Advice, here we are going to get only advice, but here, so you will get Docker file, your Terraform files, or your YAML files will be generated. Now let us see how to onboard Azure Skills plugin. So here, these are all prerequisites you can see. So we need our Azure account. This is our Azure account. And after that, so we need to install Node.js plus 18 plus version. And also we need Azure CLI. You should log in Azure agent login. So here we already logged in with Azure. This is the one you can see, Azure. And also you need to install Azure Developer CLI as well. And also just execute this command. So once it is done, just add these skills. These plugins, you can add it. Just try to enter our GitHub Copilot CLI, these commands. So here already executed these commands. These are all commands here already executed. Okay. So plugin marketplace, add Microsoft Azure Skills, as well as install the plugin. After that, update the plugin as well. Similar way, you can see VS Code as well as your cloud also. So here it is, we are going to enable MCP, Azure MCP, as well as Foundry MCP also. These two things we are going to enable. After that, if you ask some questions related to infra, it is trying to fetch the information and it will give you the feedback also. As of now, there are some issues related to my configuration. That's why we are not able to execute these instructions. So this is all about our Azure Skills plugin. Our Skills plugin, you can see that. So summary, you can say. So till now, our AI tools, they focused development, how to simplify development, they focused. And after that, SRE agent tools, they focused about our feedback management. This one we observed. Our SRE agent tools, they focused like incident management, auto resolution, and predictions, all these things, how to auto resolve the issues. These are all things they focused. Now Azure, they're focusing even infra onboarding also. But these are all things, production environment, it's very difficult to address. There are some challenges also. So while addressing the scenarios with production, there are some challenges also. Okay. So production risks are there. Similar way, privilege escalations in terms of security, right? And also supply chain concerns, right? So many challenges are there. But this is the initial step. Also, we can say that Azure Skills, Azure Expertise, it is trying to perform like Azure Expertise, and it provides workflows, guardrails, and 19 plus skills. So these are all skills, right? And also you can see like our MCP server, service tools, 200 plus tools and 40 plus services, and our MCP server, Foundry MCP server, AI model and agent workflows, right? Our AI Foundry integration as well. Please see the documentation. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe.